What if I told you you can generate unlimited AI videos without paying a single dollar? No credits, no watermark, no expensive subscriptions. Most people think AI video tools are expensive. But today, I'm about to show you a free AI tool that lets you create videos again and again. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, even long-form content. No camera, no editing skills, no experience needed. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or someone who wants to grow online using AI, this video can literally change how you create content forever. So don't skip a second, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to generate unlimited AI videos for free, and most people don't even know this exists. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then go to the search bar and type MovieFlow AI. Click on the very first website that appears in the results. Once the website opens, click on the Sign Up button. Now, sign up using your Google account. After signing up, you'll see an interface like this on your screen. From here, you have multiple options. You can create videos by uploading images, or you can use the text-to-video option, which is what I'm using. In this section, I simply enter my video prompt, then click on the Generate button. And just like that, your video is created. The best part? Using this website, you can generate unlimited AI videos for free. No credits, no restrictions. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.